Hey guys, welcome to Real Beauty, Real Food, Real Life. I am Monet coming to you today with a DIY. I am making a wall decor mirror, and this is all of the products that we will be using in this project. So the first main thing we're going to need is this foam board. It's a pretty decent size foam board, and then we're going to use these mirrors that I took out of the frames. And then we're going to use a little bit of these smaller ones. I have some bling wrap that I'm going to use. And the things to hold everything down is the hot glue gun and the E6000 glue. So just stay tuned and we'll show you what we come up with. Okay guys, we have a slight change of plans. Instead of using the 3 big mirrors, we're just going to use the 1 and the 3, we're still going to use the 4 small mirrors. And then we've added the love sign, and we're going to glue that to the big mirror in the middle here. And so the blackboard, I'm going to paint it glitter so it's just not the plain black. And then I'm going to add the bling, this bling border around the board. So just stay tuned guys, and let me know what you think when it's all done.
Okay, so we have the 4 small ones and the 1 big mirror, and we just basically glued them to this foam board, and we added the 2 little borders, and this is what it looks like without the love sign. So stay tuned and we'll put the love sign on there, and that will be the final look.
Here is the finished product. It came out really good. This camera just isn't giving it any justice here, but it was easy and definitely something you might want to try at home. Thanks for watching Real Beauty, Real Food, and Real Life. It's your girl SJ and Monet with this easy wall decor.